Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Individuality. Every person has their own personalized study plan in this Earth school. Listen from the heart. Number 8. How can you open your heart a little bit more today? Calmness. The inner divine is the witness of all, remaining still and quiet even during intense turbulence. So take a deep breath and then say, "Quiet my mind, dear Lord. May your peaceful calm take over." Have you been seeing hummingbirds or colorful birds lately? Parrot, listen intently to understand. Number 10, deliver your greatest gift to the world. Kuan Yin's pink dragon brings firm love that resets your karmic balance. See all your cords dissolve by transcendent love. Enjoy your freedom. Look for the divine around you. Jovial pink, number 5. Compassion, self-care, simplification, and beauty. Caretaker, chaotic, self-critical, and shame. Alrighty, which item has our quotes today? Let's try this one out today. Remember, keep putting your good energy into the world. It's helping people around you more than you know. Corey Allen. Right before you decide if you should do something, ask yourself, would I want this done to me? Then carry on. Pay attention to the things you buy. Do you truly need all these things? Start using what you have in your closet, storage, and garage. Time to use it, or donate it, or sell it. Perspective number 74. If you get excited about something, pursue it. It may just may be the thing for you. Follow your heart and your intuition. How do you spend your free time? How do you enjoy your activities? Do you have fun? Do you relax? Are you a part of something bigger? Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios.